Visit Ford Country in the Valley Auto Mall today.
Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Expedition. Powerful, controlled, resourceful. Expedition. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, rear spoiler, roof rails, remote engine start, rear quarter windows, power, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut. Come take a test drive today.
This Ford certified pre-owned vehicle has undergone a rigorous inspection by factory-trained technicians. We notice everything. Enjoy the confidence of the comprehensive limited warranty that offers coverage on more than 500 components. Relax, it's covered. See your dealer for details.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.
Visit Ford Country in the Valley Auto Mall today.